It is the day after Christmas, and I don't know about you, but kind of a sad day for me. Presents are opened, the Christmas carols have been sung, all my little Christmas special DVDs get put away for another year. Muppet Family Christmas, Muppet Christmas Carol, yeah, all those Muppet Christmas specials. But here we are, the day after Christmas. And now, well, we have New Year's to celebrate next week. But after that, now it's on to the long drudge of winter. But why let Christmas go? We get so excited about giving gifts to others. Why can't we do that all year? We go around during the holidays saying Merry Christmas, but we can still greet people with love. We can keep that generosity in our hearts all year. It's not too late. Maybe you have a long lost loved one you want to call, some relative or something. Wish them a Merry Christmas. Hold on to that Christmas magic just a little longer. Keep it with you in your heart. So, yeah, we moved past Christmas. The holidays are done. But I wish it could be Christmas all year. Not the holiday, mind you, but the feeling. Let's keep that feeling of Christmas with us. So, yeah, it's the day after Christmas. But Merry Christmas anyways, guys. Merry Christmas every day. Bye.